Jasmine?
Are you there? I'm just kidding. You sound like you're like...
Jasmine? Hello? How are you? Hey!
Say hi to her.
Hi, Jasmine. How are you?
Good. How are you?
We're doing your video right now, so
Okay.
I'll call you back later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Mwah. Let's live. Bye.
You too, bye. I was you. She was her.
I thought she was just talking, but apparently she was you.
Yeah, I was her. I mean, I was you.
Do you like my shorts or high top? I think I've seen you.
High top shorts, really.
They're high-waisted. I don't feel like getting up. I miss you. I went to... Her mom owns a restaurant. It's delicious. Never ate there, but I heard it's delicious.
I love it when friends own restaurants will like pair their friends' parents because then you can get like free food.
I'm not a freeloader, so I don't do that.
Well, I'm not a freeloader either.
You know I'm kidding. You know I'm kidding. Jasmine, Julie, Maldonado.
Found it!
Yellow model chick, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yup, that stuff look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me.
Okay. I don't know why it stopped. It just hit YouTube. Look at that. It just stopped by
YouTube
itself.
on YouTube.
Look at that. Hold on. Let me try to play it. Where's my finger?
On my cool J, if you get what I get.
Say, he whacked it on and off.
Mr. Miyagi.
And them suicide doors.
Something, something.
Or
Look
like-
at me now.
Look at me now. Oh.
I'm getting paper. That actually looked pretty cool. $1. Baby. Look. Let me try to do this. Hey, like the dollar standing on its own.
Ew.
Okay. Imagine there's like one bill that looked like this. Anyways.
Is it on and off?
Mr. Miyagi, I am suicide doors.
Ari,
Look at me now. Look at me now. Forget it!
That was my favorite part. I couldn't even see it.
10%! It's gonna die.
Jasmine, Julie, Malden,
Julie,
Naro.
Fail. Check out my YouTube channel, PRISSYBABYY1016 Fashion and Nails if you're interested. So, yep. And if you didn't hear me, message her or comment on this video and we'll tell you the right one. Okay? So, hope you liked your video and I'm Lily's cousin again. You look bored.
It's you. Okay, so anyways, don't let a boy keep you down.
Oh no, do not get me Oh, I sounded like King Burger. Do not get me started with the boys. Do not, little boy.
Oh, she knows the video. Do it. Welcome to King Burger. Do it. Do it.
Welcome to King Burger where we can do it your way, but
Don't get crazy.
Do not get loud with me.
Security. Security.
Okay, this video is gonna be 4 minutes already. So I already said bye, didn't I? Okay. Well, sorry. We will talk.
Bye, Jasmine. I love you. Message me, text me, let's hang out with Catherine. Alright, bye.